क्या भाई बेटा क्या चल रहा है बुड्ढा बुलाएगा Now I understand why Kabir is so scared of you. You're still listening to Seema? बोलना चाहिए नहीं बोलना चाहिए बोलना चाहिए. My dear noble brother took all the blame onto him. But I know as a brother that how much he's trying. I know what we've seen. I mean, like emotionally, just taking it in, taking it in, taking it in. That throughout.
I know, freaked out today.
Huh?
I freaked out today.
You freaked out today? बहुत सालों पहले जब जेल गया था तो we had bars in front of us in such a small area. There's 50, 60, 70 people there. One bathroom, Indian style commode, कभी छिपकली है and water and shit is filled all the way till here.
तो कैसी लगी आपको हमारी अपडेट्स? कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा एंड टीवी सीरियल से जुड़ी लेटेस्ट अपडेट के लिए देखते रहिए हमारे चैनल टली टेल्स।